Hello.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Alice.
Hello, I'm Caddy.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello, I'm Alice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Oh no!
Phew.
Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Mowgli.
Hello, I'm Mowgli.
Hello, Mowgli. Nice to meet you.
What's this?
It's a pencil.
Oh, a pencil. Wow! What's this?
It's a bag.
Wow, it's big. What's that?
It's a camera.
Cheese.
Oh!
Great!
Open the door, please.
Oh no! It's Wolfie! Open the door, please! Okay. Phew!
Great.
Close the door, please!
Okay.
Ouch!
Stand up, please.
Okay.
Wow! Great! Sit down, please.
Wow, apples.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
Hello.
Hello. Do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
I like apples too.
I don't like kiwis.
Do you like kiwis?
No, I don't.
Wow, cookies.
Oh, I like cookies.
I like bread.
I like bread too.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm great.
How are you?
I'm not good. Make a shirt. A coat, too.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Do you like this coat?
Yes, I do.
I like your coat.
No shirt.
No coat.
Can you jump?
No, I can't.
I can jump. Oh no! Oh, I can't swim! Dorothy, can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
I can't fly.
Open the door, please.
Hurry up!
Can you sing, Dorothy?
Yes, I can. Can you sing? Can you sing? Yes, I can. I can sing. I can sing.
Great!
Goodbye, Oz. Look! Many cars.
How many cars?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh no! Look!
Oh no! Dogs!
How many dogs?
4 dogs. What's that? It's pizza.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do. I like pizza.
Cats! They are big.
How many cats?
2 cats.
Open the door!
Goodbye!
Look. What color is it?
Wow, it's orange.
No, it's blue.
I like blue. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What color is it now?
It's red.
I like red. Thank you. You're welcome.
Do you like yellow?
Yes, I do. Oh no, I don't like black. Yeah, I like green.
Goodbye, Mom.
Goodbye. Have a good time.
Look,
Wow, it's big.
Open the door, please.
Oh
let's go.
no. Okay.
Let's run.
Okay. Ouch. I can't run. Help. Oh, please.
Look, let's jump.
Help me, please. Great. No!
Good morning. How are you?
I'm not good. I can't make new shoes.
Oh, it's small. Look.
Shh.
Do you have any crayons? Yes, I do. Here you are. Thank you. Abracadabra.
Look.
We have new shoes. Do you have any shoes?
Yes, I do. Here you are.
Great.
Do you have any scissors?
No, I don't. Here you are.
Wow! New shoes. A new coat. I like it. Let's go.
Okay.
Wendy, how are you?
I'm great. Thank you. I'm Tinkerbell. Hello, Tinkerbell. Nice to meet you. How old are you? I'm 10 years old.
What's this?
It's a cake. It's my birthday.
Happy birthday. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Wow, I can fly.
How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Sorry.
Oh no. Wow!
Wow.
Watch out!
Hello, I'm Gulliver.
Nice to meet you.
Let's dance together. Great! Music, please. Gulliver, don't jump, please. Sorry.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can. Have a good time. Thank you. Goodbye. Oh, I like cookies.
Don't eat, please.
Okay,
Here you are.
thank you.
How's the weather, Charlie?
It's sunny.
Good. Let's go and work.
Okay.
I like music. Da-da-dum-dum. Oh, good afternoon, Charlie.
Good afternoon. Let's work together.
Sorry, I can't. See you.
See you.
Da-da-dum, da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
How's the weather?
Wow, it's snowing.
Brr, it's cold.
Sit down, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Let's dance together.